So in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to take off the door panel of a 2004 Honda Acura TL. It's a pretty simple process. It shouldn't take that long, and as long as you guys are careful, you shouldn't break anything. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, you guys like, and all that good stuff. And make sure you comment also below, right? Alright, so we're going to remove the door panel on an 04 Acura TL. First thing you got to do is pop this. There's going to be two screws right there. We're going to remove these two screws, and then there's one in here. There's a Phillips screwdriver. You will also need to remove this screw right here. Once you remove those, the door will pop right out. Okay? So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to take all these screws out. So now that both these screws, the screw in here and this screw has been removed, all you gotta do is pull on the door basically. That's it. Don't pull too hard because there's wires connected to the light, wires connected to the power windows, the locks and everything. So now what you do is you want to lift this up to get it out of the trim right here. Lift it up like that. You look in here. First thing you gotta do is take out the door for the door handle. So you set that out. You just push this out of the way. There's the locking mechanism. And now you see you have all these wires connected. You just press the button and take it out. Press the button. Take it out. Now some of these are easier to take out than others. For some of these you need two hands. Like a little pin in here. Let me show you. You have to press. This and this. Either way. Make sure you just pressing those and pop these out. Once that's out, the door will come right off. See right here. You may need a flat hand for this. So, do that right now. Flat hand. Flat hand, I'm gonna just push this right here. You heard that click? This is down, just comes right up. This one, same thing. Just flat head right here. And that's it. And that's the panel comes off. And if you put it on, same thing, just work your way backwards. Don't forget to put it inside of this trim area first. So this comes through. And you're good to go.